Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO iQOO Z10 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact which you'd like to edit. Then tap on it, of course, so for example this one. Tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon in the right upper corner, and tap on add picture. So now you can choose something from your own gallery, so you can set your own photo. You can also open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. Here you've got Google Photos, so basically your backed up photos and illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So of course you can choose something from those options too. Let me pick maybe this one. So just tap on the option. Here you've got the presets, so you can change the colors. You can also crop the picture, so you can zoom in or out the photo. You can change the position of it, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.